Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Kyle Chart Bully back with another video. And as you can probably see by the title of the video, I did start a $500 account challenge today. So I'm gonna just give you my thoughts on day one, and then I'll let you guys see the rest of the video. You can see how the day played out and the trades I took. But initially, my first thought is it's different. You got to be in a different type of mindset, because I'm not looking to flip the account. I'm looking to just grow it, but I'm struggling with how I want to grow it, meaning like I don't want it to be too boring with the growth, but at the same time I want to be realistic, and I'm not going to throw like a standard lot on a $500 account, something like that. So that's kind of my initial thoughts right now. It's a little tough, because once you've been trading a certain lot size, and then we're going back to micro lots pretty much. It's just different. It's just a different mindset you got to have when attacking the account. But I'm definitely up to the challenge, so we're gonna see where this goes. I'm definitely gonna take it serious, just because you gotta trade what you got. So I mean, if you only got $200, $300, $400 or $100, I mean, you gotta start somewhere. But most importantly, man, the small accounts are really just for practice, in my opinion, until you can save up and get a real account. Because I mean, I feel you guys are worth way more than $5-10 a day or something like that. But like I said, you gotta start somewhere, and it's just a challenge. So maybe we'll double it in a few weeks, a month, something like that. I don't know. But yeah, my initial thoughts is that it's just tough mentally to scale it back down. But I did take a nice sell, this sell right here on gold. So you'll see that in the videos where I took it. I had a beautiful entry like right here, and I caught it like 65 pips. I didn't catch the whole move. I think like right here, is where I took profit at. But yeah, you can see it's soaring up right now. So that's looking good. It's probably coming back up here now, so that might be a buy tomorrow for Friday if I decide to trade. But anyways, man, hope you guys enjoyed the challenge. I'm gonna do my best to keep up with it. The last time I tried this, I just fell off it, so I'm gonna try to take it serious and keep you guys updated. If you want to know how I trade, I'm gonna drop the link in the description. Also, you'll see it on the video right here. I don't have a course or anything, but I did learn somewhere. So if you guys want to learn from where I learned from, I'll drop that in there. Also, please hit the subscribe button, hit the noti bell, drop a comment for your boy, hit the like button. Let me know if you like this type of content. It's something different than my usual educational style type of videos on YouTube. But yeah, let me know what you guys are feeling. If it's cool, then let me know. But besides that, I'm gonna let you guys see the rest of the video and how my day played out. But until next time, it's your boy signing out. Peace. Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Kyle Chart Bully back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be starting the $500 account challenge that was suggested by somebody that I should do. Usually I do suggest having a bigger account to start trading, 5, 10, 20,000, something like that, but I understand everybody gotta start somewhere, so you gotta start getting experience, start trading with what you got. So I am going to be doing this account challenge. I don't have any like set goals for it. I'm not trying to flip the account. I'm just gonna try to grow it steadily and see where it goes over the next few weeks, so you guys will get to see the wins, the losses, all of that good stuff. But initially for this video, I'm just gonna let you guys see the initial deposit. So I'm about to transfer the money now into this account. So give me 1 second. Let's put $500. And just so you know, there's no deposit yet. Balance 0. All that good stuff. Alright, real. And there you go. So I will let you guys see it. This is just the initial video. When I take trades, I'm gonna try to record them. I'm not gonna be able to get all of them in, but I'm gonna try to do what I can. So with that said, I will see you guys down the line. Hope this series is good. If you guys like where this is going, Please hit the like button, please subscribe, hit the noti bell so you can be notified on the challenge updates. I will be dropping about 1 or 2 videos a week, just giving you guys updates on how the challenge is going. My limit is if I lose like half the account, I'll probably just call it challenge, and it is what it is. But we'll see where it goes, and I'll holler at you guys later. Peace. Yo, kind of mad right now. I missed this drop on EG, guys. I was looking right at it. You can see it came right to this level, rejected. At this point, it's probably done. Unless I get a nice pullback, I'm probably just gonna let this one go. The other pair I'm looking at, gold right here, is dropping. It could be pulled back on the H1 right here. So initially I had a short bias on this trade with a stop hunt right here. Hold on, if I can show you a stop hunt like right here, but it broke structure on this candle, so I'm just gonna see how this plays out. But I just want to give you guys a quick update on what I'm looking at. So yeah, EG, if it pulls back, I'm going to get in there for a sell. If not, then it just might not be a trade today, but I'll keep you guys updated. Peace. Hey, what's up, guys? So I just want to show you progress on this trade here that I took on gold, and keeps freezing up. Here we go. So I took a little profit at a 1-to-1 already. So you see $2.48 there. This is a nice clean drop. So I'm hoping it's gonna stay bearish. We're at $6 now. I might, if it gets to 5.10, I might go ahead and just take profit here, or I might just ride it all the way down to my target. So we'll see how it goes. I'll keep you guys updated, but just wanted to show you what was going on right now. So far so good. We are 2 for 2, and that might be it for today. But yeah, like I said, I'll keep you guys updated. Peace. Hey guys, so just want to show you, I'm up on the account right now. That drop I just showed you on gold, this is looking really nice right now. My target's down here, so we'll see how this goes. But right there, caught it at the high today. Broke through. I waited for H1 signal, so like right here, because my buys are still short. It did run this lower high, but the market's not perfect, so sometimes it's gonna do that. And it kind of gave a big, we're kind of looking like a big M type of deal, sort of. But yeah, my buy was already bearish. But yeah, put the entry, risk management's on point. I could have went bigger, but it's cool. But yeah, I just want to show you guys the trade. So that's it. Peace.